Hello students, a very good morning to all. Today in this video, we will know about some basic information about the MS Excel. So first we will open the MS Excel. So we will press the start button and then after click the all program. And here this is the Microsoft Office folder. So click this Microsoft Office folder and select the Microsoft Office Excel. So the Microsoft Excel window will be open to your PC. So here first we will know about some basic information about this window. So here this is the column A, B, C, D, E, F. So when we have to talk about the vertical way, so this is the vertical way. So this is the column A, this is the column B, and this is the column C. So and when we have to talk about the horizontal line, so this horizontal line is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 up to infinite. So this horizontal line is represent the row, and here this is the spreadsheet, and spreadsheet is the collection of a multiple cell. So here this is the cell. So what is the means of cell? So when we intersect row and column to each other, so this is the row and column and intersect to each other, so this is the known as a cell. So here suppose you want to find out the what is the cell address. So cell address, how can you find out? So suppose first we have to select the cell. So this is the active cell. So what is the meaning here? What is the definition of active cell? So the currently selected cell, it is called as the active cell. So this is the currently cell active, so this is known as the active cell. Then after we will find out the cell address. So first we will go through the column side. So this is the column I, then after check the row. So this is the row is 4, and here name box. So this name box is highlight already, means what is the address of this cell. So this is the I4. So when we have to place the cursor any cell, then automatically the cell address is right on the name box. So this is the L8. L means this is the column and this is the row. So what is the address of this cell? So this is the L8 address. Understand? Then after we will talk about the some information about this home group. So home tab have many groups like clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, cells, and editing. So these different groups have to perform a different task. So suppose you want to simple cut copy paste, then you can simple go through this clipboard option. So with the help of this go through clipboard option, you can simple cut copy and paste any content from this cell. And this is the font group. So with the help of this font group, you can customize your font. Suppose you want to change the font style, then after you simply press this icon, drop down icon, then after here the many fonts are available. So select the any font style, then after automatically the font will be changed to the given sheet. Understand? Then after suppose you want to increase the size, then here this is the increase so size. So simple select the size, then automatically the font size will increases. And suppose you want to 70 select the size of 72, then automatically the this 8 row number automatically have to increase the size, because here this is the active cell, so that's why this row and column have to increases. Now we have to set the default sheet. So control Z, then automatically the default sheet will be apply. Previously changes will be applied. Then after here this is the sheets. Some sheets are given. So this is the sheet 1 and sheet 2, sheet 3. So this is the default sheets are given in this bottom side window. And suppose you want to add some more sheet, then here this is the new insert worksheet. So simple press shift F11, simple press this icon, then automatically the sheet will be inserted from this area. And when you have to press shift F11, then automatically the sheet will be inserted. Suppose I want to press this shift 11. So first we have to press the shift on the keyboard, and then after press F11, so automatically the new sheet will be inserted. So this is the sheet 5. So this is the shortcut method for inserting a new sheet. Then after we will discuss about how can you select the column and how can you select the all rows. So suppose you want to select the column A, so press this column A, then automatically the all columns entry have to selected, And suppose you want to select the row, then press any row. Suppose I want to select the row number 5, then press the row number 5, then automatically this row has to selected. Understand? And suppose you want to select the whole sheet, then how can you select the whole sheet? So here this is the icon, so press this icon, that automatically the whole sheet will be selected. Understand? So this is the basic information about the MS Excel. So I hope this video will guide you the basic information about the MS Excel. So thanks for watching this video.